Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS colors. And right now, we'll be discussing about CSS RGB shades of gray color values. Shades of gray color values in RGB are often defined using equal values for all the three lights. As you can see, this kind of gray light, right? This deep, this one is deep, this one is lighter. So if you want to have something like this easily, you can have the same value inside your RGB and increasing it or decreasing it to have shades of gray. So I'm going to use this so you can be able to know how it all works. So what can we do? Let's get back to our document. As you can see in our previous tutorial, we are having this in our document. Now let's use the shades of gray value. So let's use h1. Let's give h1 and give background color shades. Let's use RGB now. RGB, let's give this one 60 and this one also 60. This one also can be 60. So let's give another value also, h2 tag. This one should have different values, this one is having different declarations. That's why we have to do it in this manner. Let's give it RGB. This one can have 120, 120, 120. So let's get back to this and write h3, and this one can have background color RGB. Let you forget, after the RGB you can have you can give it 200, 200, 200. Can you see? And you can have another one which is h4 if we want. Let's specify this, give it background color, give it RGB, open our closing bracket, then you can specify 245, 245, 245. That's all. I think we need this for now. Let's save our document and see what we got. Now we are having this in our let me see the tag. This is our h1 tag, right? So let's say we use h1 tag, but let's change this to something else. Let's just change this to section tag, so you can be able to understand what I mean by this. I just want to change this one to section tag. Yes. Now let's write our, sorry, this one should have div. So let's get back. Let's write h1 tag. Let's call it first, h2 second, h3 third, h4 fourth. So let's save our document and see what we got. Can you see? As you can see, we have this dark gray here. This one is light and this one is light and this one is lighter. So definitely by specifying the same value in your RGB color, then you can have this kind of format. Let's say this is just color we want it to have. Let's say this is only for color we want. Let's remove this. If you want only for color, just for only color, then you can specify just only color. Then all the letter, all the text only will be will be having that kind of color. Can you see? Our text is having. Can you see? Then you can select all the elements and give them different value. H1, H2, H3, H4. Then you can give them declaration, you can give them background color, another RGB again. To give them RGB, you can now do like, let's give it red. Just red is okay, right? Let's give it blue. Let's give it blue. You can give this one is 0. Turn this one also to a 0, but turn this one to 255. So when you save your document like this, can you see all of it is having different colors? Try to practice this, because practice makes perfect. So that's what I have to show you guys for now. You can mix colors, you can do anything with what you want to do. This one is having, or this one is having dark color, this one is light, this one is lighter, this one is the one that is light the most. So try it every time. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next.